Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the spending limit on your Revolut card. So you want to scroll down and find the section for cards, choose the card that you really want to change the limit for, and I'm going to click on, for example, this card right here. And as you can see here, I have my card, and in order to really change the spending limit, I'm going to quickly click on the settings button right here, and here is a section called limit. Click on that, and from here you can toggle on card spending limit. And once you do that, you're able to actually set that limit. So as you can see here, if I toggle it on, it's gonna go ahead and ask me to enter that spending limit. So let's say I want the spending limit to be 1,000, for example. I can do that, and I can set the limit, and that's now set. So that's the limit for the card. You can set it to as much as possible. As you can see, you can change the limit at any point in time. At the bottom, you can click and change, and you can change that to whatever. So let's say I want to change it now to 100,000. Let's not say 1,000, but I can set that as well, and the limit is now changed. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change the spending limit on your card and Revolut.